From Cadd. In this video tutorial, I will explain the procedure to create the SOPA by using the Google Sketchup software. So first we will create the model by using the tools. For the creation of SOPA, I am taking the rectangular. Draw the rectangular at a dimension of 10 feet, 5 feet. And draw the guidelines from 1 feet distance. And take the 2-point arc, start from this point and to this point and draw the arc. Same as all 4 sides. And erase these objects. And delete these guidelines. Go to edit and delete guides. The guidelines will be deleted. After that, for the SOPA creation, I am taking the rectangular in a vertical faces. In a vertical face, and take the tape measure to create the guidelines. For the guidelines, I am taking the tape measure tool and create the guidelines. And then take 2-point arc, create the arc from this point to this point. And then go to edit, delete the guidelines and move this object to this base point. And rotate this object at 180 degree. And then take follow me tool This is the simple sofa model by using the Google SketchUp. For more video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.